band, band.
Marie is having a picnic. Do you want to drive? Or do you want to walk?
Drive, drive.
Hinata, we are having a picnic on Wednesday, but I don't have a car. Can you drive me to the park, please?
We have a picnic every Saturday.
Do you want to have a picnic tomorrow?
I'm driving now. Call me tomorrow. I'm driving now. Call me tomorrow. My mom and dad have a picnic every year.
You can you drive?
My sister is driving to the mall. Sis is driving to the mall. I don't drive. But mom drives every day. I don't drive, but my mom drives every day. I don't drive day, but my mom drives every day.